Sorry.
No, all good. All
It's
good.
fine?
All good.
Okay, good. So guys, we have to play this slow motion, okay? Because you see guys, I got him more than I wanted. But you see, that's the slant kick of Wing Chun. I apologize.
No, sure, all good. I asked for it, guys.
This happens even between themselves. I don't like to have this with my students, okay? So, but play it slow motion, guys, and you will see I try to spare as much as I can. He gets me, I get him, but you see, just imagine that I would have done it as full force.
Yeah.
Okay?
You gotta be in two
and
pieces.
you see, guys, I realized that I got him more proper than he realized it by himself. Okay? Subscribe to our channel, become a member of the Inner Circle, my Villa May Plantation, Florida. Come and experience the best.